Hello, namaste, welcome to day 6 of 7-day challenge begin year. It brings me so much joy to see you all with me in the 6th day, and it's the second last day of our practice but not the last. And I don't think any practice will be last because we're going to keep continuing our practice, and that's what I encourage you to do it. Yes, in today's practice we're going to stitch few things through that we have learned in our previous practices. So let's try bringing awareness to ourselves. Sit in a very comfortable position. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and chest. Observe how you're feeling today, this beautiful morning. Set a simple intention for this beautiful practice. And once you're clear with it, gently take your time to open your eyes and relax. Beautiful. Like I said, we're going to stitch few things through in the practice. That's what we're doing today. We're going to learn few steps to Suryanamaskar, and we're going to do it slowly and gradually. And then by the end of the 10 minutes, we're going to stitch everything through together. Yes? Let's start standing today. I'm going to stand on the top of the mat, which is the front of your mat. And we're just going to do 2 movements and repeat it consecutively. See if you feel dizzy in between. If that's happening, you're going to get your legs together, close your eyes, stand still, or you can always sit down and rest yourself out. Yes, it's going to be gentle, I promise, so you can believe me in this. So stand comfortably, not sit, stand comfortably. Inhale, spread your arms from the side like you're collecting good energies from your surrounding, and arch your back a little bit. And then exhale, release, bend the elbow, bend the knees, and relax the head down. Just this much. You have to bend your knees so that you feel relaxed. Inhale, take your arms up again, just this movement. Arch your back slightly, and then exhale, go down again. One more time, inhale. Exhale. 2 more, inhale, 5 rounds each. Exhale, very gentle. Go slower if you like. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Stay here, relax your head, relax your hands, relax your shoulders. And from here, you're just going to step your right leg back. Put the right knee down, look up. And slowly bring the leg back. So how do you bring the leg back? Slowly step, step, and bring the leg back. Yes, or you can directly bring it. Left leg back, left knee down, look up. Beautiful. From there, bring it back. Head down. Again, inhale, right leg back. Look up. Exhale, bring it back. Left leg back. Look up, that's second round. And bring it back. Let's do 3 more rounds. Third round, inhale. And back. Left. And back. Fourth round, right? And back. Choose your pace. You don't need to be as fast as I am. And back. Awesome. Fifth round, right. And back. Left. And back. Whew. Keep your knees bent. Relax. Drop your head down and just stay. We have done elbow plank in one of our days. So this time we're going to do palm plank. So palm plank is simple. You're going to step both the legs back. Stay here. If this is challenging for you, you can drop your knees down. Yes, it's very different from all fours. In all fours, your hip and hand is here. But in this, your hands are way ahead. And it's creating one straight line from your shoulders to the knees. And if the knees are off, shoulders to the legs. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. From here, drop your knees. See, watch it. Drop your chest and the head. And lie down. If this is challenging, you can just ripple down. So ripple down your belly and bend. Control bend the elbows in and relax. Slowly push back up. We're going to do this 5 times. Slowly. Knee, chest, forehead. Release down. Push it back up. Again. Knee, chest, forehead. Push it back up. Doing it more evidently now. Knee, just the chest, just the forehead. And release. Slowly push it up. Last one. Knee, chest, forehead. Slowly push it down and push up. Woo. Now from here, you're just gonna go up. We did this already. Yes, push the shoulders down, relax the toes, bend the elbows a little bit. And now push back into downward facing dog. Woo. Good, you have been doing really good. Slowly drop your body down, elbows bend, reduce the height of your Cobra Bhujangasana, and push your hands and go back into downward dog. It's okay if your heels are up in downward dog, that's absolutely fine. Drop the knees, drop the pelvis, bend the elbow up and down. Beautiful. From there, slowly drop the knees, drop the pelvis, drop the elbow and back. Woo. One last. Drop the knees, drop the chest, drop the pelvis, keep the chest up, elbows bend and downward dog. Woo. Stay there. From there, bend your knees slightly and tiptoe your feet all the way ahead as much as you can. As much as you can. Keep the knees bent, drop your head down, release the hands, and just stay. Slowly, very slowly, keep your head down, chin to chest, and slowly come up. Whew. Close your eyes, stand here in complete stillness. Beautiful. From here, we're going to stitch everything through together. I know I've been telling you about stitching, but let's do it together. We're going to flow it through, yes? So, legs together as much as you can. Inhale, take your arms all the way up, very slowly, arch. Exhale, very slowly, soften the knees. Forward fold, relax your head down. Gently take your right knee back, right knee down, look up. Slowly step back into plank with the knee, without the knee. Slowly drop the knee, chest and forehead. Inhale, slide ahead, pelvis on the floor, roll the shoulders back, look up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. From there, step the right leg ahead. If directly stepping the right leg is not happening, drop the knee down and then step the right leg ahead. Look up. Slowly forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Arch your back slightly and then release. Woo, that was really nice. We'll do this on the left side now. Inhale, arms all the way up, arch and look up. Exhale, all the way down, soften the knees, head down. Inhale, step the left leg back, left knee down, look up. Go back into plank, lift up the knees. Slowly drop knee, chest, forehead. Slide ahead, Bhujangasana. Exhale, go back, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg ahead, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, Samastiti. Release. Stand still, close your eyes. Find complete stillness and give some time for your breath to come back to its natural pace. Slowly come back to seated. Take your time. Close your eyes. Sit nice and tall. Give yourself some time to come back to natural pace. Doing the very important practice again, hugging yourself, thanking yourself, and showing gratitude towards the practice, towards the efforts, towards the mindset, towards every other thing that has contributed in this process. And gently relax the hands. Slowly lie down on your spine. Take 2 to 5 minutes to rest. And I'll see you in the next practice. Thank you.